Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Nothing Ear 1. Okay, so first of all, you have to simply open the case and use this button. You have to click and hold it until this indicator blinks few times red. So click and hold, take a look on the indicator and keep holding. For sure you have to put both earbuds to the case. As you can see right now it is blinking, so we can release the button. It blinks 3 times red. Right now when we try to connect them back and select from the previously connected devices, as you can see we get the new pairing request. So previously connection just disappear, it was clear, and that's how we can perform the reset of this device. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.